This is my favorite thing to have for breakfast in Bali. It looks like this. It's called nasi bungkus, which means wrapped rice. Sometimes you find it wrapped in banana leaf, and I used to love having it like as takeaway lunch for school. And then it comes with like many sides, but I like the chicken one because I like the shredded chicken. And that's what it looks like. So you have noodles, chicken, and some vegetables and tempeh. I actually like to do two because it's only like a little bit of stuff. So I do like one rice and then two of these guys. And it's like the best thing in the world. Dulu kan pas Banda sekolah, Pak No kan nanya, Banda mau lunchnya mau apa? Oh Pak, saya mau nasi pantai. I didn't even call it nasi bungkus. I called it beach rice. I can eat this like every day. Oh my god, enak banget. So tasty. Oh.
It's tasty.